Kids, tell me how many months in a year?
12 months in a year.
Yes, very good. 12 months in a year. Let's learn the month's name together with spellings. January,
January,
February, February, March,
March,
April,
April,
May,
May,
June,
June,
July,
July,
August,
August,
September,
September,
October, October, November,
November,
December,
December,
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's learn the spelling of these months. January, January, January.
January.
January,
January.
February, February, February.
February. February.
March, March, March.
March. March.
April, April, April.
April. April.
May, May.
May.
May. June, June, June.
June. June.
July, July, July. July, July. August, August.
August. August.
September, September.
September. September.
October, October.
October. October.
November, November.
November. November.
And the last month is December, December.
December. December.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye, kids.